But low key, not the saying low key, but low key, the app I usually use for the software I usually use for editing my video or for screen recording my videos isn't working, so we're just gonna go live. But let's go ahead and hop right to it. Price of admission is to leave a like, comment down below for a super dono, and if you want to donate to my channel, hit the subscribe button. We're almost at 800 subscribers. Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. Why is crypto down though? I honestly was thinking, okay, EverGrowCoin is down because I don't know. I couldn't figure it out. I thought people was just like getting cold feet about the new investment plan for EverGrowCoin and what they was planning on doing with the EverGrowCoin wallet, and that's why they was dipping. But then I looked at the cryptocurrencies market cap, and the market cap for cryptos all around is down 16.5 freaking percent, which is mind blowing. And when we look at all the crypto coins that are out there, every crypto coin is hit. Bitcoin's down 17%, Ethereum's down 15%, Binance coin is down 15%, USDT is down. The stable coins are even down as well. Cardano's down 18, XRP's down 20, Polkadot's down 23, Doge is down 23%. And then when we look at other coins, it's usually you have one or two tokens that are just explosive, that are just having a great day. They might have just launched. Bitcoin Cash ABC is the only one that's actually having a positive day, and they're up 5.5%, which is absolutely wild. And then when you look at the tokens that are taking the biggest hit, Phantom, Zcash, and Theta Network, they're taking the biggest hits. Even Filecoin is taking a huge hit. And at the last dip of crypto, that was like 2 weeks ago, they was actually seeing some positives. Filecoin was actually up just a little bit, and so was Basic Attention Token. Basic Attention Token actually hit an all-time high during this time. I should know. I'm holding some. But why is that so? Well, I've been looking around. Cryptos investors see looming NFT bubble, but tout staying power of the underlying tech. That's not really something that caught my eye exactly, but this one did. $300 billion Bitcoin and Crypto.com crypto price crash after stark Fed warning. Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Cardano, and XRP in free fall. But there was one other thing, and if I can find it, then I'm going to just let y'all see it. But if not, then there it is. Biden and Trump SEC chiefs trade tips on how to regulate crypto. So I think all those things in combination, some old guy talked about crypto, basically Mighty Yoda, one for all. That's because a well sold $188 million in BTC was sold around the 50K mark. Also 10 billion Dogecoin well in the house, y'all. Love you Scripted. Hey, I love you too. One for all, I love you too. Let me fix the camera. There we go. Y'all gonna hear this in the background. See, when I'm recording on low key, things don't happen this way. But okay, let's get back to it. I appreciate y'all commenting. Shut up. They trying to get me to play the game, bro. So they trying to get me to play the game. But let's go into this right here. 300 billion Bitcoin and crypto price crash. All right. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices have fallen sharply, wiping around $300 billion of worth of value from the combined crypto market in just 2 days. The Bitcoin price dropped to around $51,000 per Bitcoin after trade. That is wild. After 69,000, the sudden Bitcoin and crypto sell-off coming alongside some serious stock market declines follows a warning made by famed investor Louise Navellier that widely expected Federal Reserve tapering could burst the Bitcoin and crypto bubble. They wasn't wrong, and there's been talks that it's not unknown that, and it's very known that Bitcoin and crypto and all follow usually the same trends as the stock market. And there's actually, I thought the next crypto crash was going to happen in mid 2022, so like summer 2022, because of the Bitcoin halving. But I don't think this is happening sooner. I think this is just another crypto crash. There's going to be a huge uptick when it comes to January and February, prayerfully and hopefully, of course. And then we're going to see probably another dip, a crazy dip when it comes to mid 2022 in December. In the summer. The Fed is tapering, and this should create a correction in risk assets, of which Bitcoin is a part. Navalier wrote in the comments first reported by Insider, the more the Fed tapers, the more volatility we should see in both stocks and bonds. Yes, Bitcoin too. Bitcoin and especially smaller cryptocurrencies remain highly volatile compared to traditional markets, with the likes of Ethereum, Binance, BNB, Solana, Cardano, Ripple's XRP often bouncing double-digit percentages in mere hours. Navalier warned the Bitcoin price could drop below 10,000 per Bitcoin, a fall of more than 80% from its all-time high set last month of almost $70,000. The Bitcoin price has recorded similar such declines in the past. I would take a decline below $46,000 to be a yellow flag, and a decline below the spring of 28,500 to be completed massive double top, which points to a decline to below 10,000, which incidentally would match many of the multiple 80% plus declines in its storied history, which is a crazy prediction. Navalier, who's been watching markets and picking stocks since the 90s, pointed to huge advertisement spending by crypto companies as evidence of mania in the Bitcoin and crypto market. Trading platforms such as Crypter.com, FTX has raised eyebrows with multi-million dollar campaigns and sponsorship deals in the recent months. By the dip, I don't blame you. Hey, Jalen, shout out to you joining my stream, man. One more leg down coming probably tomorrow, then we can go back up. Yeah, that's what I figured too. One for all. I don't think this is gonna last too long. I think when I would expect $10,000 in mid 2022 simply because of the Bitcoin halving. That's the only time I could see $10,000. I don't expect to see it recent now. But I do believe the price is going to uptick back up. Now, what does this mean? Shut the fluff up back there, guys. Y'all are trying to play a game, and I'm trying to make money. I don't get paid for this. Now, let's go to Crypter, another altcoin. Crypter was doing really good, really freaking good, and they've just been on a downward spiral for the last month, for the whole entire month of November, honestly. I mean, at the beginning, they was on a huge uptick, but now they are seeing a huge downrise because they're not seeing any volume, and they're almost at the price they publicly launched at. They're not too far away from it, so that's not looking good for them. But when we look at EverGrowCoin's chart, they're pretty far. They're pretty far away from where they publicly launched at. They're pretty far, but everything's looking good. Not looking good. Not everything's looking good. My fault. I usually say that. Not everything is looking good for crypto. But at the end of the day, dips do not happen for long. At least right now, I don't think this dip is going to happen for too long. I think there's going to be a nice little kickback up and price action. And that's not going to happen. I wouldn't say it's going to happen today. I'm not going to say it's going to happen tomorrow. I'm not going to say when it's going to happen. I do believe that a price jump will come back and happen, as that usually happens in crypto. The SEC and the flutters and whales selling, that's going to happen a dime a dozen. But crypto always makes its rise. They always survive. They will survive. And that's it for today's video. I appreciate y'all popping through. Yo, bro, what happened to my portfolio? Dang, bro. Hey, man, that's what I said. 31K is the lowest possible point. Yeah. But I do know that the Bitcoin halving usually drops the price like crazy. I know it went from 19K or 18K a while back, back in 2017, 2016, to 3K, 6K. So that's why I was saying, 10K isn't out of prediction, but it is still a wild prediction. FTX is on Lewis Hamilton's onboard camera, says everything you need to know about this coin. Hey, I'll check it out. Why not? Well, insiders talking about White Swan Activision at 35K. Bitcoin then will run back to 70K plus additional run to around 80K, 80 to 100K by end of December. I would expect 80,000 to 100,000 in like what day? Not day, but what time period? January, like later January. Check out BUSDX. I've gotten more reflections than others. I own quite a few reflection tokens. Yeah, BUSDX is they good reflection token. I don't know if they're, I think percentages are basically the same. It just depends on like A, trading volume, and B, like your amount of holding. So theirs is 2% higher than EverGrowCoin, which is good. They have a lot announced. I knew it. New partnership with Wallet Now. Our investors will be able to track their BUSD dividends to see how many they have accumulated to date and how many they have pending, which is a dope feature to have and a feature you definitely want integrated. Vote for us today to be on Watcher Guru. You know everyone's trying to get on that Watcher Guru. And join our AMA Thursdays and Friday. More and more. Big USD is doing good though right now, and their manager, I forgot his name, but he's doing a good job. Got a billboard. That's crazy. We are live at SpaceX. We will be up here for 2 weeks. Get in now while the price is low. Hey, the price is low for BUSDX, if I'm not wrong. I only am going a little bit further because we have more time. It's only 10 minutes, and this is more so a stream / video type of thing going. And by the way, this total circulating supply is at 1 billion. So don't think, oh my goodness, their price is way too high. They've gone up crazy, which they have. They have gone up crazy high. They were at 3072 just about when it was launching, and now they're at 2036, but they hit 1,000. They gave people 1,000% return in the form of 208327, which is very good, very strong for them. And they're at a market cap of $3.57 million with the total number of holders sitting at 2.6K holders. So BUSDX is doing good. It's doing good. Now let's talk about price action for EGC. All right, let's do it. Let's talk about price action for EGC. Let's look at the chart. We're gonna talk about the chart. Now, it's not looking pretty. We are seeing a descending some descending action going on right now. I think the lowest it's going to hit though is it's going to be 0.605. I think not 5. Whoa. 0.606 is what I think is going to be the lowest I think that we can hit. Now, lowest is going to be like 6055. That's why I can see that going for that could be the low. That's like the bare minimum for me when it comes to EverGrowCoin. Now, what do I think is going to happen when the bull run comes around? When that bull run comes around, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that we're going to definitely break the zero. I think we can get to at least, depending on a couple things. Do we have Crypter platform going around this time? We're going to go with some couple ifs, ands, and buts, okay? Now, if Crypter platform is not around during this time, during the time of the next bull run, and if they have not burned any tokens with the amount of rewards they are receiving, because they did open up the dev wallet, they should have opened up the dev wallet by now. I feel like they just keeping it like quiet for now, like when they're actually opening it up. But there's $1.5 million in trading volume. If you looked at my chart yesterday, then that means about $150,000 has been rewarded to that wallet. So that can go to burning and that can go to rewards. That's going to burn like a couple, I believe 80 billion tokens based off my math. 80 billion. No, actually a little bit more than that. We're going to do the math right here, right now with you. Since this is a live stream / video, I'll do the math with y'all and for y'all. 150,000 divided by with the current prices is at, I'm gonna say 607 though, just to keep it good. That would be unless I did my math wrong. That would be 21 billion tokens that was burned. So 21 billion tokens burned. My math could be wrong because I'm doing this on the spot. But I could see the price hitting around 5 zeros, 18 maybe? 5 zeros, 18 being, but 5 zeros, 12 being the low. But I see 5 zeros, 18 being like the good midpoint that people should expect for. But I would like to see, but the high I feel like it could hit is 503 to 504 with the next bull run of crypto. Now, if the credit platform is around during this time, I would say that's going to help out a little bit, but not too much. That's going to help the price go to up to like 5 zeros, 4 or 5 zeros 5 maybe. Now, if you want to go crazy, we can say 506 or 7. But I do not think the credit platform with the crypto run is going to from what I know right now, from what I know as an investor. It's not going to make it break 2 zeros. It's not going to make it 4 zeros 1. Now, do I want that? Duh. Who doesn't want 4 zeros 1? Who doesn't? I can't think of no one who doesn't. But yeah, but credit platform, I feel like it's going to take some time for it to really get shared to people, because right now the only people that know about its creation or in its development are EGC investors and EGC fudders. It's going to take some time. Now they're saying the marketing wallet is crazy huge, and that they're going to market it as a platform that's not just for EverGrowCoin. It's going to be for anyone and everyone who is a content creator and wants to make money and monetize their content right here and now. Now, if the marketing goes stupid and goes crazy, then that would be amazing. That would be spectacular for sure. But I'm just trying to speak realistically. I don't want to create any false hype. I don't want to be that guy, that small YouTuber that creates false hype just for the views and for the likes and all that BS, man. I just want to create some good content to help y'all guys out. You're saying that you're saying 6055 is huge liquidity pool for EverGrowCoin. It'll never hit below that. Yeah, exactly. Can't join you this early every time. I appreciate you, Jacob, for even showing up, man. I am up live early, and this is just a quick little stream for y'all. I'm not doing this for watch time hours. I already hit my watch time hours goal. I'm just trying to hit my subscriber goal at this point. But yes, so now when it comes to January and February, where do I think EverGrowCoin will be then? I believe EverGrowCoin will be at maybe 506. 5 zeros, that would be the low. That's my low. My low would honestly be 504. But the low I would love for us to hit, like the support beam would be 506, and then the mid would be like 508, 509. But usually when we hit like 508 or 9, we just keep pushing until we break that zero, and we're sitting really freaking handsomely. So that's all I'm gonna do. That's all I'm gonna do. That's all I'm gonna say. Now, yeah. So January, February, I feel like the price is going to see a nice little push and a huge increase because of the next crypto run. And usually cryptos go crazy in January, February, and sometimes it depends on March. We can look at the cryptocurrency market cap chart. This is the max. We're gonna be looking at the max chart, and we can look at our top gainers. So there are some top gainers today. You see Pump ETH is sitting at 4,000% return. At Acute Angle Cloud sitting at 600%. Luyuka 500, 500, 250, 180, 142. No, I did not say 420. I did not say 420. And then you got Magnet Gold. Top losers, Magnet Gold going down 100%. Landy token down 98.9%. Batman token down 89%. Sheesh. Now we're going to go back and look at March. You see in March of 2021, you see it was doing good, going up in May, and then once it hit like, I feel like it was early, it was early May, Yeah, May 10th, and then afterwards you just saw a downward trend. We dropped down from 2.4 trillion to 1.2 trillion, my fault. Then we rose back up to 2.6 or 2.4, back to 2.4 million, and then down to 1.9 million, a trillion. I'm sorry, I keep saying million, I mean trillion. And then we was at 3 trillion in November, early to mid-November, and now we're down. It's following that same type of trend where it goes down for a little bit after it breaks like an all-time high, gets close to breaking the all-time high, and then it comes back down to reality. Oh, there goes gravity, and then it goes crazy up again. Yeah. Shout out to Eminem. Shout out to Eminem if you ain't catch what I just did and said. And then we look at previous Marches. It's gonna be pretty tough to look at previous Marches. You see this March, it was actually down. Usually, like I said, Marches are usually bad for stock market, but it's pretty hard. I can see why people say the stock market follows the crypto market, or the crypto market follows the stock market, but sometimes you can see there's some differences in it. But you see March usually dip, and then we come back up a little bit later on in the year. Is there anything else thinking about dropping like 10K into EGC right now? I don't blame you. I burned some tokens today. I sent like a large supply of my tokens to the burn wallet just to help out. But I think that's all we're going to cover in today's stream, guys. Stream/video is at we're at 22 minutes. So I think that's more than enough time, and I think I've addressed a couple things here and there. I'll go over what's been posted on EverGrowCoin's Twitter though before I leave. I did not go over their Twitter page. They've released a couple things. You have, I don't think they even released anything crazy though. Thinking about dropping something pretty awesome on you all by Monday, and no, it's nothing we've talked about before. So it's not going to be Crypter. It's not going to be the burn. It's something else that they haven't released to us yet. Maybe it's some marketing. Hey, y'all in the comment section down below, y'all share and comment what you guys think that could actually be the next cryptocurrency to explode in 2022, according to Yahoo Finance, is EverGrowCoin. There's also been talks, and basically EverGrowCoin said it's confirmed that Bitrise was writing false and like FUD articles, paying for FUD articles to be written about them. EverGrowCoin reality versus fiction. Another straightforward video from Lockstock Pips LSP TV. Shout out to him, baby. Remember, EverGrow Army, when the markets are dragging AGC down, our investors are still earning a passive income in BUSD, whether people are buying or selling. And is there anything else for me to address? EGC wall. This is responding to what EverGrow Sam said, the chairman of EverGrowCoin. I earned 11,000 as my EverGrowCoin team salary via BUSD rewards this week, just confirming to the EverGrow Army for full transparency that I have just fully invested that into EGC. The community can monitor my wallet. There it is. I feel like some photos are going to be like, look at him lying to the people again, blah, 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 blah. We heart EverGrow Army. EverGrow Army hearts y'all too, EverGrowCoin. Lots of new projects are being launched that offer EGC rewards. Do we mind? No. Do we have any affiliation? No. Are they secure? We don't know. Are they harmful? Legit EGC rewards projects will actually help EGC. Thank you guys for watching though. I'm going to close it out here. Oh, here it is. Sorry to once again address FUD. Bitrise token have paid for false EGC data to be published in articles, including on Yahoo Finance, for purpose of market manipulation. This is how they attract investors. Apparently, we asked them privately to stop 48 hours ago, but they have not. And there's also been, CoinMarketCap doesn't fix the chart. So on that note, we're going to end the stream. Thank you guys all for watching. It is the Crypter Legend signing out. We need KuCoin to list EGC. I would say we need Binance to list EGC. But hey, who am I? I'm just an investor. Thank you guys for watching though. I've been recording videos to go on the creator platform, so trust me, I'm going to be ready. Thank you all for watching. Crypter Legend signing out. Peace.